The FASTPRO 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench is a powerful tool that can deliver up to 370 foot-pounds of torque, making it ideal for automotive and DIY projects. Featuring an advanced brushless motor, this impact wrench boasts higher efficiency, increased runtime, and longer tool life, ensuring it meets the demands of heavy-duty use. Equipped with a 4 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, it provides extended usage time, and the battery power indicator helps you keep track of the remaining charge. With 2 speed settings and a variable speed trigger, this wrench offers precise control for various applications, allowing flexibility and precision in your work. The 1/2-inch square drive with a friction ring ensures quick and easy socket changes, and it comes with 4 impact drive sockets, enhancing its versatility. A built-in LED work light significantly improves visibility in dark workspaces, making this tool especially useful in low light conditions.